today's publication. I am Raksha and I'll be your host. Let's explore this world of computers. Fun with paint. Do you like this painting? Yes, we do. Here is your chance to unleash your creativity and enjoy drawing and painting. But how? Let's get started. Hello kids, do you like drawing, painting and playing with colors? I think you might be, but all you are doing in your drawing copy. But today we are going to explore this drawing, painting and coloring on a software called MS Paint, a fun and creative software that allows you to draw, paint and unleash your artistic talent. Let's get started. Opening MS Paint. To open MS Paint, you can follow these simple steps. First, click on the Start button on your computer's taskbar. Next, go to All Programs or All Apps. Then, find the Windows Accessories folder. Inside the Windows Accessory folder, you will see the Paint icon. Click on it to open MS Paint. MS Paint interface. Once MS Paint is open, you will see its interface. Let's explore the different parts. At the top, you have the title bar, which displays the name of the program. Below that is the menu bar where you can find various options and tools. On the left side, you have the toolbar, which contains different drawing tools such as the pencil, brush, eraser and more. In the center, you will see the drawing area or canvas where you can create your artwork. On the right side, you have the color palette where you can choose different colors for your drawing. Drawing and painting tools. Now, let's explore some of the basic drawing and painting tools in MS Paint. The pencil tools allows you to draw thin, precise lines. You can adjust its size using the size slider in the toolbar. The brush tool, it creates thicker and more textured strokes. You can change the brush size and type in the toolbar. The eraser tool helps you remove parts of your drawings or correct the mistakes. You can also use the fill tool to quickly fill areas with solid colors. The text tool to add text. And the shape tool to draw different types like circle, square and triangle. Using colors and saving your artwork. In MS Paint, you can select different colors for your drawing using the color palette. To choose a color, simply click on the desired color square. You can also create custom colors by clicking on the Edit Colors option. When you are done with your artwork, it's the time to save it. Click on the File menu in the menu bar. Then select Save As to save your masterpiece in your computer. Conclusion. And there you have it, kids. You have learned the basics of MS Paint, and now it's time for you to unleash your creativity and have fun drawing and painting. Remember, practice makes a man perfect. So keep exploring and experimenting with MS Paint. Who knows, you might create amazing artworks that will amaze everyone. Thank you for watching. See you in the next chapter.